Sometimes your player is very fresh player, even not able to do that, then you have to use the multi-shuttles. Make it very easy, like this. Okay, ready? Let's say Martin is a very fresh player. Okay, first one, just one. Back a little more, please. Lower, just one. Step one. One. Well done. Aha, no, that's the wrong one. One, yes. One. Okay, I will draw the shuttlecock. Please don't hit it, but just do one. One, yes. One, yes. One, yeah. One, yeah. This is good because shuttle is flying to him, but he practiced to be patient, just wait. Many players, when shuttle is coming, they will likely moving forward like that. Yeah, like this. But one, wait. One, yes, just one, now right way. One, well done. One, yes. So first, just to practice the one, racket, stop the middle. He's doing that now. The second one. Okay, one, backhand, stop. Move shuttle, please. Okay, block to the net. One, two, stop. One, two, one. Okay, and it is important to make your player to count to the steps, so the player knows which one is which. Can you say 1, 2, 1? 1 is a look, 2 is a hit, 1 is ready again. So 1, 2, 1. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Well done. 1, 2, 1. Yeah, flatter. 1, 2, 1. Yes. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1. Well done. Normally, when I do that, the fresh players already going wrong way. Yeah, he's going like that. Yeah. No, you have to check, practice that. Ready? Well done. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, well done. 1, 2, 1. Yes, just practice that. He's doing it. Now, forehand. Ready? Back a little bit. 1, forehand, underarm, please. Ready? 1, 2, well done. Yes. Well done. One is like that. Ready? Yeah, too quick. Wait. Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes. So he's doing there. Now I give him both sides. Make it easy. Right, left, right, left. Okay? Forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand. Ready? Well done. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Well done. So he's doing. You may have to do this a lot because Martin already been training, so he can do that straight away now. Now he's doing both sides, and then random. Okay, random. Well done. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1. Yeah, yeah. Freeze there, please. 1. Yes. 1, 2, 1. Well done. 1. Well done. Good. So what I want to see when your players are doing one, absolutely racket stopped. Not one. Not one. That's the key thing. Not only in defense, many other things are same. The meaning of he can do that, he can do everything else in the same way. Yes, right. Yeah. Aha. Yes. Well done. Excellent. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. So the important things is giving your player satisfaction, achievement, feeling, yes, I am doing it. Yes, I can do it. Oh, yes, I can do it. I never thought I could do that. How? Step by step. Make it easy. And he is doing that. And then extend a little bit further. Next one. So his confidence is growing. He will be enjoying. He will be waiting for the next session because he feels I did something new. I never done it before. Yeah, I can do that. That giving that satisfaction, achievement feeling is very, very crucial. And when you are doing it, use the right word. Yes, here. Okay? So you may say like that. Sometimes I do that without thinking much. So your player's doing wrong way. I draw backhand there, I stop, his racket is already backhand there. Like that. No, not like that. So I said, no, not like that. So it's a negative, negative, negative. He thinks, yeah, I am doing something wrong. Same effect, you don't have to say in the negative way. Okay, ready, like that. So he made the same mistakes. His racket is go. Yeah, okay, stop, don't move. Yeah, have a look. Your racket is already backhand. Yeah, okay, now, ready. Okay, now, Martin, now try to stop there. Well done. There, yes. Okay, now, if shuttle comes, you move, but stop there first. Ready? One, yes, that's the wrong way. Now, right way. Right way. Yeah. Yes, well done. 1, 2, 3, yes. So, he did, your player did wrong. Then don't say that is wrong. You say, do this way. He doing that. Okay, okay, Martin, do that. So it's positive. It's not, no, don't do that. Do that. Yeah, I can do that. So there is no negative feeling. And out of 10 elements, everything wrong. If his racket is there, his feel is a little bit like that, but racket is there, then forget about it. You must highlight his racket is right. Yes, Martin, that was fantastic. That is right. Why? Because he did right this one, but this is wrong. But you have to point out this one first. Rather than he did right, you forget about this one, like this, Martin. His racket is the center, but feet is turning. Yeah. No, your feet is wrong. So this coach always looking for something to tell him what he's doing wrong. Even international player, something wrong. But he's a fresh player, never done it before. Then focus on the things he's doing right. Out of 10, if he's the right one, highlight one and make that 2, 3, 4, 5. Human have emotions. You have to win that emotions. It doesn't matter if you have 1,000 skills, if you don't win your players' emotions, having a connections, feel you really want him to do well. If that connection is not there, all of your technique will not go to him. He will not enjoy. So remember, before teaching the techniques, you have to have a good relationship. How? Do not try to build that kind of a good relationship technically. In your heart, you really want him to do well. Truly, that feel will pass on to the player. If you try to copy it, If you try to, like, what's the word? Pretending, no, it will never work. All the human will sense that straight away, soon or later. Martin,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
You very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
this is Martin. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.